So, otherwise, in today's lecture, we are going to perform some of things like in map variable, and along with map variable, we will be looking for the new function called lookup. Okay, so let's perform this. Let's go inside the variable directly only, and let's check for the new variable tier. Okay, let's along with that, we will be performing some more variable here. Variable. Let's again let's take it as age, right? And let's provide it type as map, and that provides default value here, like for right this way. Okay, yeah, this is the right way to perform this. Right for demo, let's age is 20. Or understand when the one age this one, right? We have performed this. Now let's check inside the main.tf, right? Let me this for now. We not required this thing like this time. No. So output, let's look at main width, and here value would be how the value will be performed. We will be using a new function called lookup, right? So we can provide this way as already discussed. For providing mentioning function, we need to provide this way dollar and curly basis. Then lookup. So lookup from the new function. Then var dot. Let's again check what variable we have used. Var dot pf we are using as a variable age, right? So var dot insert age. Let's close this. Lookup var dot age, and for which variable we are looking for? Let's take example. We are looking for data, right? So yeah, I think this would be fine. Okay. Save this. Look, the second. This will not run because I need to provide this way, right? Inside the same thing. Curly brackets, and yeah, I think it's fine. Let's run this Terraform plan. It's setting okay. Expected start expression the valid token. Okay, let me open this. Let me check. Okay. This was missing. Double quotes are missing here. I think it will be fine now. Terraform plan. See, main 20. Because if you check inside var.tf, you will be able to find the deba value is 20. Now let's create it in a more suitable way, like this. Deba age is dollar this way, and deba, right? Now again run this. See, deba age is 20. Deba 20. But now suppose there are a lot of variables are there. Suppose a lot of names are there. Now, as we can see, we do have only 3 to 4 names here. Okay. Now, for second name, we need to again change here inside name.tf, right? Suppose we have changed this one, it is done Deva 1, right? And if we run this, we will get Deva ages, Deva ages 22. But Deva, as this output is the variable and this was the lookup function, so it would be calling only for Deba1. As we have used this as a variable only output, so we also need to change this also. right? Means if we want to change something or more lot of variables are there, we need to change every time on this file only. So instead of changing on this file, let's create a new variable here inside this, or you can take this variable only. I also defined the required things like this, data, well, right? Now let's check what will happen this time. And we know this is a list function, so we need to provide in the list form. So if check in main dot instead of this data, we will be providing the dot. Let me check again. It's the tag. Okay, for this variable we need tag. So main dot here. Let's take example this like this. As we are using single way, means single things like string variable, as we need 1, 2, 3 according to the requirement, which variable is coming. So we need this way, like we need that output. So this time we will be checking like where dot tag. Tag is there, and inside tag we will be providing suppose their value 0 or 1 or 2, anything according to the requirement. Right. Suppose this time let's take the value for 0. Right. And let's close this. And we will be providing this way corner here 0. And let's try to run this. See, device age is 22 because we have defined here 0. But I think this is not a right way to do this. So instead of doing this, let's again check for the variable, and we will be defining more variable here, right? This way. Variable. This time we will be taking like name and use this, and inside this, let's take type will be at string because we need value that's only name only, so string that will be fine now. Okay, let's save it. And inside this main, but instead of this, we will be providing dot main. That will be fine, right? So it will be looking for this way dot main, or you need to provide this here also dollar where dot name this way. Okay, let's try to run this and check if it happens or not. Let's take example for this time data 1. Okay, it's I think an input variable with the main has not been declared. Okay, main. Okay, main dot has been not been declared. Main. Okay, let me check main. I think instead of main, it's name. Right? Let me show you inside this variable because we have used name thing, name variable. Right? So we have changed this to where dot name. Now let's start with Terraform. Then again, then call data 1. So again, okay, let me check the call to from call function, look up to find key, where dot name, call to, okay, call function look up field to find key name, which name, where dot name. Okay, it's not able to find the where dot name. Okay, let's check this again. What's happening here? Okay, where dot, okay, fine. We also need to find lookup now, lookup thing. So for that, we need an age for this side. Yes, we will be performing all things inside this where dot name. Okay, okay, where dot name is here, but we haven't provided this dollar sign. This was missing, right? Where dot name is here. Fine. Now let's check if it's run or not. In second, where dot name is here. Okay, where dot age is here. Okay, let's check. And Deva 1. Say, Deva 1, age is 22. Because if you check at the variable, see, Deva 1 is 22. Let's check for Anir. See, 1 year age is 21 because we have defined 21. All right. So this way we can use map variable, mapping a string to a number or anything else. And we can use lookup function to call that variable. Right. If you check for more lookup means how you can check this way like lookup function in Terraform. You will be able to perform the right way, the right syntax. See, lookup, map name, key, default value. We have used lookup, map name. We have provided the map name here. Let me show you the map name. See, this was the map name. Okay, and yeah, this was the map name. Right, and where dot name was this key and value pair, required value pair. Okay. Okay, that's all for this video. We will be performing more things in the upcoming videos. Okay, guys. Thank you.